What's up, guys? It's Sunday. 89 degrees Fahrenheit. And even though there is a slight breeze, it rained really hard yesterday, and I already hear the thunder in the background for today. Some of those clouds starting to turn a little dark. So it's kind of humid, all that moisture in the air. People were asking me questions about transportation here, mainly about bicycles versus motorbikes. So I'm going to try to explain to the best of my knowledge what the rules are. I covered it before, but I'm gonna do it again, because like I said, if new subscribers have questions, I don't expect you to scroll back through 286 videos of me talking just to find an answer to one question. So if you are a foreigner, to legally ride a motorbike in Cambodia, you need a Cambodian driver's license. That's the law. Now, it's not always enforced, but it is the law. It is, and it's becoming more and more enforced over this last year than it was when I first moved here. They do not recognize an international driver's license like a lot of countries do. You must have a Cambodian driver's license. Now, you can get one of those in Phnom Penh, and from what I read, it costs about $10, and it doesn't take a lot of time. You just go in with your passport and your home country's current driver's license. You do have to have an E visa or an R visa extension. You are not supposed to legally ride motorbikes in Cambodia on a tourist visa, and you do so at your own risk. Like I said, it's not heavily enforced, but it will cost you if you are caught. Now, a bicycle is, of course, a great alternative. You don't need any special requirements for that. Just buy a bike and start riding it around. You don't see a lot of people riding bikes in my videos because I mainly walk around the busier areas, the busier streets. But not a day goes by if I'm out that I don't see a few people riding bicycles. It's actually fairly common. As you would imagine, they try to avoid these really super busy streets because they don't want to get hit. So yeah, a bicycle is a good alternative to a motorbike. But like I said, if you got the proper visa, you want to go to Phnom Penh, if you really want a motorbike here to get around, just do that. Make it legal. Be sure you're always wearing your helmet. Be sure you got all your papers whenever you go out. Your license. There you go. Bicycle. Yeah, just be sure you have all of it, so if you do get stopped, there will be no issues. Another bicycle. Ooh, did you hear that thunder? That is some rolling thunder. It just keeps going and going and going. We are still up to $205 pledged on the road to 1,000. And that's very awesome. Still got a couple days left till the end of the month, and I still hope to get close to the 500 mark. So if you haven't yet, and you can, and you want to, click the first link below, go to any of the pages. And there's a donate button at the end of all my blog posts. And don't forget to read the blog posts, okay? Those are all mine. I don't take them from anywhere and repost. All those articles came from my own head. And I just posted a new one yesterday. A few teaching tips if you're brand new to teaching English abroad. Like it's your first time, I give you some tips to help you out when you first go into your classroom. Things that will help you have less headaches and make a more smooth transition into your new teaching career. I think you will find it useful. So click the first link below, go there, read through my articles, and feel free to donate at the bottom. Like I said, 250 people donating just $1, or 25 people that can donate just $10 is all the same. It'll all go toward making sure locals here don't have to pay anything out of their pocket for their English classes. And like I said, we did raise enough already, so next week will be the first 5. But I'd really like to have more if I could. I do have people waiting, and even if I didn't, all I have to do is put one post on my Fast Track English Facebook page. That link is also down below. And I can have that filled. I can have those classes filled really, really quickly. And then I can take pictures and some video, and you'll be able to see exactly what your generous donations are going for, who they're helping, and how it's making a difference. Went out today, don't really have any place in particular to go. Well, like I said, we went out yesterday and got caught in the rain. Had to stop for like a half hour underneath a little awning, kind of like this one. Huh? No, I'm just walking. We had to stop under a little awning for a half hour to let it subside enough where we could continue our journey home. But it felt good, actually. I was kind of really hot from walking, and once the rain really started coming down, it brought with it a very nice breeze. Very nice. And although it was kind of blowing the rain in under the awning, that felt really, really good. Tomorrow? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, today is the last official day of the Chumben celebration. Like I said, a lot of people, they take it for the whole week. Some people a little more. They take the opportunity for a little mini vacation, but the official holiday ends today. But yeah, somebody else commented that it was strange seeing me walk around without any, with all the practically empty streets and everything boarded up. And it does have a whole different vibe when that happens. It really does. It just doesn't feel like Siem Reap anymore. All right, we're going to figure out what we're going to do here. And I'll talk to you guys later. All right, we're on our way home before the rain overtakes us again. That's how we'd walk. This little area by the river. This is on the other side. We're over there. But they have statues here. Different animals. Of course, one of the, I believe that's a Hindu god. So you have that. Let me see if I can get a better picture. Yeah, there we go. The sun's not exactly cooperating to get a clear picture. And I already feel a couple of raindrops. Sometimes it's nice just to get out and walk around. You all know I like to walk. Ooh. Probably don't want to run though. You might run right into one of those wires. Take your head off, man. An old husk of a tree. I do like the trees here. Lots of nature, which is always good. Get away from the sun when it's out. As you can see though, the sky is looking angry, my friends. There's the post office right there. Should you ever want to receive packages. I mentioned this before, when you do have people send you things, be sure on the envelope they write down your Cambodian phone number in large letters. And when the post office gets it, usually they will call you one time to let you know your package has arrived. Otherwise, you'll just have to go down there every so often and with your passport and see if you have any mail, if you're expecting something. I've never received anything because nobody sends me anything. But that is the way to do it. All right, enough of the nature walk. Remember, all my links are down below. Grow to 1,000 are the first links in the description. And you have Sengalai's cooking channel, Khmer Cooking with Sengalai. As soon as we get some extra money, we're gonna go on a market shopping thing and make a few more videos pretty soon. My other channel, Make Money with Dave, is also down below. Be sure to check that out if you want products, services, or websites, many of them free. They can either help you make extra money online or tools that will help you increase and grow your already online business. Also, let me know if you would like to join my email list, and I will give you the link for that. Actually, if you go to Make Money with Dave, on any of my videos in the description box is the link. If you want to join that. On my social media down below as well. I got all the usuals down there. I got the Facebook, I got the Instagram, I got the Twitter. So be sure to check out all those links. And if you have any questions, of course, just leave them in the comments. I try to answer most every comment I get. I know there are some every now and then that slip through the cracks. So don't take it personally if I miss you. Sometimes I get notifications for the comments, sometimes I don't, so I'm not even aware that somebody commented. I'll go to my YouTube channel, my main page, and all of a sudden I see, oh, I have 5 comments from yesterday and didn't receive any emails about them. So don't think I'm ignoring you or anything like that. All right. Down here at the intersection, you can see the roundabout right there. And the bridge taking us to the other side, back to the homeland. Alright, check out all the links and I will talk to you guys in the next one.